Okay, friends, today we shall discuss oxidation number. Oxidation number is an apparent charge on any atom in a compound. It depends on the structure of compound. For example, if I ask you what is the oxidation number of chlorine in HClO4, when we calculate it is plus 7. And what is the oxidation number of chlorine in HCl? It is minus 1. So oxidation number can be different in different compounds. Okay, now how to calculate this oxidation number? Basically, we have two methods to calculate this oxidation number. One is from structure, by using structure of a compound, then we can calculate oxidation number. And second is by using direct method. So here we use direct formula method. How we calculate oxidation number by using formula. Now, for using formula, we have to follow some rules. Oxidation number of single element is always 0. So if I say what is the oxidation number of O2, it is 0. So oxidation number of single element or free element is 0. And oxidation number of first group, second group, and third group elements, it is respectively plus 1, plus 2, and plus 3. Oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1. There are some exceptions, we shall not discuss those exceptions. So up to your level, just think about it is plus 1. Oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. There are some exceptions, we shall not discuss those exceptions. Oxidation number of chlorine is minus 1. Oxidation number of ion is equal to the charge on that ion. For example, oxidation number of ion in ion plus 2 is plus 2. So oxidation number of iron in Fe2 positive ion is plus 2. Oxidation number on polyatomic ion is equal to the charge on that ion. Okay, now let's have an example to use these rules. So let's have same example, HClO4. So how to calculate oxidation number of chlorine in HClO4? So oxidation number of chlorine, we are going to calculate, it will be X. What is the oxidation number of hydrogen? It is plus 1. Chlorine, we don't know, it is X. Oxygen, minus 2. How many atoms here? 4, multiply with 4. Okay, friends, the oxidation number of all elements here. So oxidation number of hydrogen, oxidation number of chlorine, oxidation number of oxygen. When we add all these oxidation numbers, it must be equal to 0 because it is a neutral compound. Okay, so plus 1 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0, x minus 7 is equal to 0, and x is equal to plus 7. So oxidation number of chlorine in HClO4 is plus 7. Okay, let's have another example. KBrO3. What is the oxidation number of bromine in KBrO3? So what is the oxidation number of potassium? It is plus 1 because it is present in group number 1. Bromine, we don't know. Oxygen, minus 2. How many atoms? 3. Multiply with 3. Okay, students. So it is a neutral compound. So oxidation number, sum of all the oxidation numbers must be equal to 0. So plus 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 5. Let's have another example. What is the oxidation number of nitrogen in calcium nitrate? So CaNO3 twice. So what is the oxidation number of nitrogen? Calcium, it is from group 2, so it is plus 2. Nitrogen, we don't know, it is X. Oxygen, minus 2. How many atoms? 3. Multiply with 3 and bracket close. Multiplied by this 2. It must be equal to 0. So simple mathematical calculation, plus 2 plus x minus 6 multiplied by 2 equal to 0, plus 2 plus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to plus 5. So oxidation number of nitrogen in calcium nitrate is plus 5. Okay, friends, let's have some other examples. What is the oxidation number of chromium in dichromate ion? Cr2O7. What is the oxidation number of chromium? So chromium, we don't know. It is X. How many atoms? 2. So multiplied with 2. 2x plus oxygen minus 2. How many atoms? 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to minus 2. So here be careful. Sum of all oxidation numbers must be equal to 0 when it is a compound. When it is ion, so sum of oxidation numbers is equal to the charge on that ion. So 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 14. It will be plus 12. So x is equal to plus 6. What is the oxidation? Let's have another example. What is the oxidation number of manganese in MnO4 minus 1 ion? Mn we don't know. X oxygen minus 2 multiplied by 4 because 4 atoms of oxygen is equal to minus 1. So x minus 8 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus 8 is equal to plus 7. So oxidation number of manganese in permanganate ion is plus 7. Okay friends, now let's use this oxidation number to discuss oxidation and reduction reactions. Okay, if we have K potassium reacts with HCl, and it will be KCl plus H2. So let's have balance. Okay, now which element is oxidized, which element is reduced in this chemical equation, in this chemical reaction? So first of all, we have to calculate oxidation numbers of all these elements. Oxidation number of potassium is 0 because it is single element. Oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1. Oxidation number of chlorine will be minus 1. Oxidation number of potassium will be plus 1. Oxidation number of chlorine minus 1. And hydrogen 0 because it is free element, single element. Okay, now where is increase in oxidation number? Where is the change? Here. And decrease in oxidation number? Here. So we have already discussed increase in oxidation number is oxidation. So which element is oxidized? Potassium. Now where is decrease? Decrease in oxidation number is reduction. So which element is reduced? Hydrogen. So which element is oxidized? Potassium. And which element is reduced? Hydrogen. Okay. Now basically what happens here? Here potassium gives one electron to hydrogen. So loss of electron takes place in potassium and gain of electrons takes place in hydrogen. So potassium is responsible for reduction of hydrogen ion, and hydrogen ion is responsible for the oxidation of potassium. So that element which is responsible for the reduction in another element or in another compound or in another species, that is known as reducing agent. And the substance that is responsible for the oxidation is known as oxidizing agent. So, which substance is reducing agent? It is K. And which is oxidizing agent? H positive one. Oxidizing. Sorry guys for writing through mouse. So oxidizing agent is H hydrogen, or we can say H positive ion. And reducing agent is potassium. So if you will have any question after watching this video, just write that question in comments below, and I will try to give answer in my next video.